Hello Digi friends. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use formula in Microsoft Word to make mathematics calculations easy. At the beginning, please hit subscribe, like and the bell button. Thank you for your great kindness. In this table we have some information of some people working in some weeks. Now we want to add up these numbers in this cell. Most of the Word users, in such a case, open the Windows calculator, and start to add up the numbers one by one. Of course there is a better method to do this calculation, which is using formula. To use formula in the Microsoft Office Word, click in the empty cell, go to Layout, and Heat Formula. Here you can find some pre-made formulas that can be used, or you can easily type your formula here. To use a formula, we always start with an equals sign. As an example, I want to add up the numbers in the first row. So, I type sum. Open a parenthesis, and because we want to calculate the result of the cells on the left, so here we should type left. Then close the parenthesis. Hit OK, or Enter, to get the result. You can easily copy the formula and paste it for the next cells to save the time. Also, a better way to access the formula is using its shortcut, that is, Alt-A-O. Now suppose that we are going to add up this column and this row. Again go to Formula, and in the parenthesis, at first type right, keeping in mind that when we have a formula with two parts, at first we should type right or left, then type above or below. Otherwise, you will face an error. Because in this table, we have a few data, it is also easy to find the result easily, but suppose that you have a table with more than 200 cells. In such a case, it is really overwhelming to find the result. Suppose that after finding the result, we need to change the data in some cells. In this case, you do not have to enter the formula again, but the only thing you need is hitting Ctrl-A, and then hitting F9. As I mentioned earlier, there are some other formulas available here. I use one of them as an example. We want to determine the maximum number of this column. I can type max or find it in the list. And because I want to determine the highest number in the above columns, I type above in the parenthesis. Hit OK and you see it finds the maximum number easily. There are some other formulas available here. A comprehensive explanation about them is available on Microsoft site, which the page link is here in the description. Have a look at them, and because most of them are not so popular, decide which one you need. I do not explain them here in order not to make the video so long. I wish you enjoy this tutorial. Please hit subscribe, like and the bell to invite us a cup of coffee. Thank you for your great kindness.